here I'm covering how AI is very helpful for our daily life. Okay, that's the first one. And the next one is about how this will be using for our career also. Okay, so basically we are thinking about for the future, not for the present, right? Mostly we are learning for what? For career building, right? So in this manner, so we also can use this AI in a daily life. Understand? Okay. So here there is a first topics that we are going to learn on this particular today. The topics which are already you can see in your curriculum. So I'm just opening my curriculum. Give me a couple of minutes. I'll just look into that. Yeah. I think today what we are going to learn that I can give you the uh, overall like explanation. So basically we should learn about what is the AI right now, and why exactly that we are using the AI nowadays, and how AI will helps us. Okay, so how many of you can say that AI can affect in our career? AI is affecting our jobs and all. So you might think about AI, right, in a bad manner. I mean, in a negative manner. Some people are thinking about AI. If the people are using AI, we also can lose the job opportunities. We might uh, face many problems and all. Okay. So before moving to that one, you clear on this particular manner. Okay, you clear everything and just with the proper, you know, without having any person. So just learn like this. Okay, AI. So AI basically using as an assistant for us. AI is what? Assistant. AI is abbreviation is, yeah, what is the AI abbreviation? Artificial
Artificial intelligence.
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 Intelligence. Who are whom we can call it as intelligence person? Who we can call it as intelligent person? This is a intelligent person. How can I say that intelligent
Who and
person?
accurate.
Hmm.
Who is smart and accurate.
Yeah.
That person we can call
Who will
as
be
intelligent. Smart and accurate.
smart and accurate, and he must be a problem solver. He must be learning capability and decision making capability and all, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in this way we call it as he's a person. But artificial, what is artificial and natural? Artificial means,
Man-made is artificial.
artificial means copy.
Man-made we call it as artificial. Yeah.
Artificial is nothing but it's a copy. Let's take artificial flowers. By using of artificial flowers we can't be able to get proper no proper smell. The flower which is having any flower we can take. So artificial intelligence is nothing but which is mimic the human thoughts, human capability, knowledge, everything. Understand? Okay. So this AI will be also can helps us in that way to make the or decisions by our own. So it's not like we should be depend on each and every person all. So basically AI can use to mimic the human behavior like talking, thinking, learning, and also the planning, and also the understanding as well. These all the things is done by the AI. So that's why we call it as machine intelligence and also the computer intelligence. We also can call it as these words. Okay. Okay. Machine intelligence. And what is the next one? Computer intelligence.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you writing the notes? Can you please confirm?
Notes we cannot write, but if you want, we have to record and write in the computers like digitally. Digitally, they have to take down the notes. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. I can hear you. So the basically
Mm.
the part of artificial intelligence is a scientific discipline. Okay. So we are using in a multiple industries. Like I can say that education industry, marketing industry, sales industry, people are using extensively right nowadays to when he depends on the human, he may do some mistakes, but the mission can't do the mistake because we already trained the mission in the particular data sets. Okay, data set is nothing but excel. If you are using excel now, so there are multiple tables and data which you are adding, right? In a similar way, llm, like large language models, we are using ChatGPT, Gemini, and all, we can call it as large language models. Understand what we can call it as? Large language models. Model is what? What is the mean by the model? Model is nothing but when the user is having the mind. When the person is having the mind, what we can call it as, he is the human and he can think and he can do the particular decisions on the problems. But the mission, how it can think using of the models. Models means we have llama, we have open api, we have gemini, we have grok. This all the copilot, these all are the models. Models is nothing but brains of the missions. Okay, so if you have the brain, you can think, you can properly think, you can take the decisions, you can talk with the others, and you also can communicate with the others peoples. Am I correct?
Turn off microphone button. Yes.
So in a similar manner, machine, how it can think means using of the particular model. Maybe the model will be anything. You can use lot of models in your daily life. When you open Play Store or else in a system, you will be getting a lot of things. These models are machine brain. Okay, machine having some brain and it has some memory, so that way we can call it as models. Understand everyone? So we are discussed about artificial intelligence. First one, the definition of artificial intelligence is: artificial intelligence is to suggest the mission like a human. It's mimic the human. Okay, so which can plan, think, learn, and also understanding like a human. Okay, so when this AI is comes in, not in 2026. Anybody knows when AI is introduced? Anybody have any knowledge? So you hope you are using the mobile, right? You can check when AI is introduced. You can give the answer because you also have the LLMs, right? Can you please think about it? How they are, when they are introduced this AI? Tell me. I'll wait for 2 minutes. You can answer my question. Anybody? Please answer my question. I asked about when AI is introduced. You can check the ChatGPT or anything that you are currently using, right?
It's showing 1956.
Great. 1956. And
John Metallon, it seems it is saying.
sure. So basically, this is introduced before 90s. Okay. So before 20s, not 9, before 20s. So here, first one is about machine learning. So when you ask, sir, what is machine learning? What is neural networks? What is deep learning? What is big data? And what is strong data and narrow AI? If you ask this all the questions, I can give you one small example. Okay, have you have you heard about machine learning previously? Have you heard machine learning or not? Word that word machine learning. Have you heard this word machine learning or not? Please tell me. If you are in a silent, I can't able to understand.
Yeah, it should be in diploma of polytechnic BTech. It will be introduced for everyone, I think,
Yeah,
with AI, ML, and all.
BTech nowadays few people are might take the any
Mac-
of the department, right? Someone is saying something.
Yes, yes, yes.
Huh. So AI is for all, not only for the BTech people and degree people. AI for all. We need to be understand about the AI because right now the people are installed in the systems as well. AI. So let me share with you few of the things. Okay. So what is narrow AI? So we have few types of the AI, but artificial intelligence is nothing but like a what I can say is lunch. Okay, lunch. What I can say lunch in the lunch box. You can see lot of items. Okay, one is you will be take like chapati. One is take you can take curries and all, and these all different type of items that 100 items that have inside of the your meal. So meal is like AI. Okay, remaining machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence is a like in this subset of all. Machine learning is subset of AI. Deep learning is subset of AI. So inside AI only everything. Artificial is nothing but inside of the all the data it will be putting in. Understand everybody? It's a part of AI. Machine learning, deep learning, and then neural networks. These all are the inside of the AI. That is what my um, so that is what my understanding is, and which actually data science also inside of the AI only. Okay, some statistics means measure. Some of the statistics means nothing but mathematics and all. And next one is about the insights of the particular business and all. Okay, so artificial intelligence is a very big subject, very very big. Okay, inside we are training the missions. So how we can train the missions? So let me give you example of narrow AI. Nowadays people are like talking about how many types of AI that we have. So one is narrow AI, next one is a strong AI. So and the next one is about the different the types of AIs that we have. So we will be learning each and every um, topics of AI. Okay. So first of all, types of AI. We have first one is a narrow AI. Okay. So narrow AI is nothing but it is performs designed specific task. Specific task means what? If you go to the market, like which market you need to go? Let's go to the vegetable market. Only you can buy vegetables only. Okay. When you go to the particular shop, which is related to the groceries. Grocery shop, you only can get groceries only, not electronics. In a similar way, if you are asking the question to the mobile, okay, what is time right now, using of the Google Gemini or else Google Siri. So in this manner, we have, like, Apple, we are using the Siri as a AI assistant, and Google, we have different type of assistants that name we can call. Okay, so these are designed for the specific task. It is cannot beyond the intelligence. Okay, so most of the AI systems today are the narrow AI, or most of the systems that we have currently, which AI? Narrow means what? Narrow is very little, right? Narrow is very small, like we can call it as weak AI. Okay, so let me share with you the already you are used mobile to get the assistant, so that AI is inbuilt in your mobile. It will be giving the time to you, and it will be saying that put the alarm, means it can also can put the alarm. Can you able to put the alarm using of the mobiles by talking? Can you do it?
No, sir, cannot.
Yes,
Yes, using voice commands.
Yeah, using voice commands that we are doing, right? So that is a narrow AI. Okay, we are using for the specific task: speech recognition, self-driving cars, text to speech. These all chatbots also, face recognition detection, and these all is about which AI? Which AI?
Narrow AI.
Narrow. Narrow means very specific task, not wide range of the task. Okay, clear, right? Okay, so let me share with you the next one is generative AI. Mean general AI, we can call it as narrow AI and general AI. General AI is nothing but it can be perform an intellectual task like human can do it, the task. Okay, general AI. So general AI is like a human. Okay, like a human it will work. So can anyone say what are the examples that we have in a general AI? Anyone? Human, without human it will be do automatically. Anybody have heard this one? Without having the driver, the car will go. Without having the chess, without having any movements, the chess automatically can play. Right? Have you heard this word?
Yes, remote control.
Yeah. Now, without remote also, driverless cars you can see, right? Anybody have any questions? Without having human, machine can
Sir,
do.
Tesla car.
Mm-hmm.
Tesla
Any
car. Without.
Tesla car.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Tesla car is an example of same general AI. So which is artificial general intelligence. Okay, so we are adding some intelligence to the mission, but actually narrow AI is also having the intelligence, but not. It is a very wide, like compared to the narrow AI. General AI is using for the intelligence task. Okay, this task will be anything. So intelligently like a human it is performed. Okay, so so that is call it as general AI. And the next one is about the super AI. So anybody have any knowledge on super AI?
No.
Super AI is nothing but, so I'll be take an example. So there are many examples that we can see in a super AI. So but it's very right now we people are not even using, but it is completely creating. Right now the people are creating. So let me share with you. Let's take an emission. Okay. uh, have you heard about robo?
Yes.
Robo, it is a very intelligent than a human. Okay, but the people are not created it, but some of the spacecrafts. Have you heard some war is going with the particular countries? Have you heard these words?
Yes.
So during the time when the people are putting all the missiles to our India, so automatically the mission can react and it will be respond in that way to stop the missiles, right?
Cells.
Okay, have you heard this word? You know, even it is done by our India with some other country. Okay, so it is completely like you can also search HAL 9000. HAL 9000. HAL means Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. HAL 9000. It's a spacecraft. Okay, it is can understand the language, and it is also can make the decisions automatically. Okay, this one. And the next one is Skynet. Skynet is a military system the people are using for the more intelligence than human. And the mission right now the people are not or, implemented till now. But HAL 9000 is a very informative information you will get in Google as well. If you have time, you can search HAL. HAL. H for Hyderabad, A for Arunachal Pradesh, and the next one is L for Ludhiana. Okay, HAL 9000s. So if you search that one, you will get very intelligence tool. Okay, that's we can call it a super AI. Can anyone tell what I have explained till now? Can anyone?
Definition of artificial intelligence.
Great.
Then narrow AI, general AI, then super AI.
Super AI. So these are the three important types that we have learned now. Okay. So let me give you what is the tools that introduce for the accessibility. Okay. Um, so we can see there are many of the tools that many of the application that will be used as a used as for the visual impairment. So first one is the Microsoft. Okay, so Microsoft .com, if you can go. So for visually impaired, it will be also can read the text as a loud. Okay, go to the Microsoft website anytime. Okay, you also can read the text by using of a loud voice, and it is identify the people and objects as well. Understand? Microsoft. Next one is about you can also go to the particular Play Store, and we can also convert from the speech to the text. So which is all which is helps us for the visually impairment of people. So right now we are using the mobile, right, to set the instructions, to create the alarm, to make our daily activities. Even though we have a lot of applications that are built by using of the AI. Okay. Grammarly. Have you heard Grammarly?
Yes, writing suggestions.
Yeah, which can suggest and which can write and which can create, which can be help for the correction of the grammar to write the clarity of the code. Okay, so we are using that one. And in right now in all the AIs, all the chat GPTs and AIs, okay, all the popular applications like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and Canva, even these all the applications are helps for AI impairment people. Understand? Okay, this is for the people who can't be see or else can't be learn by their own. So these charts and this all the AI assistants help to take the help to instruct any of the code like a assistant. You have your own assistant in your mobile. That is this one, ChatGPT's, Gemini, and all. Okay, understand everybody?
Yes.
Okay. If anybody have any questions till now, you can ask.
Till now, no questions, but you said that Microsoft.com it's reads means you're saying that Microsoft.com website that whatever content we are looking for that app will read for us, or else we only read that content in Microsoft.com.
So Microsoft, for each and every website we are built for the people, okay, normally.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes. Yes.
But actually what I am saying, using of Microsoft is an example. We will be use that AI assistant tool to because whenever the website is supports now, we will be hear the words, right, each and every word properly.
Yes.
Okay, but in this scenario I have mentioned that if you go to the Microsoft, the people are used this website for to compatible to the accessibility standards. Okay.
Okay, which means whatever we are accessing in the websites that will read for us inaccurately. Sorry, accurately.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. That is the meaning of that one is correct.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah, because you can go to any of the website. Few people are not think about the accessibility standards. Okay, so accessibility standards we need to be follow in our website. It's a rule. Okay, accessibility standards should be follow each and every website. We also can call it as ERA, I think. Is it right?
Hmm.
Because a few years back, we people are also got the questions in this. So basically, the accessibility standards like web content accessibility guidelines. These guidelines should be like this way. Okay, first one is about add alt text for the image. Images, when you are displaying the image in the HTML, you must use alt. Have you learned alt?
Alt attributes. Yes.
Alt
Yes, will.
attribute in HTML.
Yes.
Next one is about provide captions for the videos. Caption. Next one is about efficiently, like we used to increase the color contrast. Okay, this is about for the like accessibility standards. That is the one. Next one about the keyboard navigation, visible focus, and this all see this all the people are not think about this one. So basically this will be helping us for the each and every person, okay, to improve this particular application with the accessibility standards. It is also can helpful for the improving the SEO. Have you heard about SEO? SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, you people are using to search any of the location, right, using of the map. Is it right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, whenever you use the website by searching of keywords in the browser, you will get the relevant information. Is it correct?
Yes. Yes.
So when you write the keywords in the top, you can get only in the top. Some of the websites are available, some of the website in the down. So in the top website, why there people are like keeping that one? So it follows SEO standards. So that is why for overall experience of the website performance also, we should be follow the accessibility standards. Are you getting my point? Okay. So you also can use the AI tools in that particular application. Understand? Okay. So let me give you that softwares with AI for accessibility. So which is in the mainly we also can use this accessibility softwares basically to read the particular text. Okay. You can use the I think you have you used anywhere about
Turn off
Gemini?
microphone. Gemini.
Yeah, Google Gemini, have you heard?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, we are using.
I wanted to share one more as Siri asked. Siri seeing AI, seeing AI. Okay, SEEING AI. It will be only given for the people who are the for the people who has the visually impaired. Okay, seeing AI, SEEING, seeing AI. It's a virtual assistant for the people who can't see. Okay, it's my given by the Microsoft only. Okay, I am if possible I can share with you. Okay, later. Right now I am keeping this one as a note.
Seeing AI is an, I think it is an Android application.
Yeah, true. Android
Yeah,
application only.
yeah, we'll be training on that. In our curriculum, it has seeing AI.
It is there.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah,
Assistive application.
for an
Like,
independent purpose, we train that apps like seeing AI, lookout, and all those things.
and
Correct. So which is also basically we it can be read the text loud, okay, and which is also can use for the identifying the objects, right? People, currency, and all money. Also, it can
Yes.
you can see
Yeah,
which
yes,
is
correct.
designed for the low vision. So the next one is about for the hearing we are using Utter AI, Utter Utter AI. It will also help us, but we need to be I think we need to be pay something these particular tools, Utter AI and all. So Grammarly that you know already. And the next one is about voice modularity. Voice it. We have voice it. This is also a tool. Voice it. Okay. This is also one tool that we are using for the accessibility. So I'll tell you one thing. Okay. If you are the people, if you got any document with you, if you got any document, so you can open your document right within your mobile or not. Hmm? Say yes or no.
it
You
will
will
open drive or it.
yeah it will be open in the open like a drive, and the drive you can see in the top bottom corner. I mean in the bottom corner you can also can share with the
Yes.
particular AI tool. I mean Gemini or else any particular AI tool uh, to get the summary of the data. Okay, because
Oh,
most of us we may not read each and every document in a proper manner, right, within the consent time. Okay, these AI tools will help us to create the content, to accurately getting the data and all. Okay, and we also can see many applications that we are using voice assistants and all. It will be helping us. So this is also including the what type of AI which is included in voice assistants and all like getting the data and all. Which type of AI is implemented for the specific task?
General AI.
Specific task.
Super AI.
Specific task. Which AI?
Narrow.
Yes.
Narrow AI.
Narrow AI. Super AI. Sorry, general AI is about intelligent AI. It is not an intelligent, right? You are asking the question. You are asking the task, and it will perform the task. It is not done by the AI. And self-driving cars is about the general AI. Super AI is not even right now that we are using right now, but it is in the research mode. Few people are doing on that research development. It is doing that work. And next come to the tools. Okay, tools you can use extensively for your daily life. I think you are using right now, but you also can adopt those tools to learn something. Okay, not for the not for any of the case. So it is like ethical AI, and that one I can able to like explain in the last module. So this is about the first module. Okay, this is about the first module. Anybody have any questions in this first module? Module 1, introduction. Anybody have any
No, sir.
questions?
Turn off microphone.
Is it is clear, everybody?
Clear.
Just give me 2 minutes. So just revise all the content. I also can ask some of the questions on this particular module 1. Okay. Be revise all the things in your mind. Okay. So I hope you have remembered all the concepts that I have explained last 45 minutes. So can I ask the questions right now? What is AI?
Artificial intelligence.
Yeah, definition. What is the definition of AI?
It's behave like a human.
Yeah, it's mimic the human that we can call. Okay. So the next one. Anybody have any idea about how many types of AI that we have?
Three types of AI.
What is the first one?
Narrow AI, general AI, super AI.
Great. So the next one is about what is the example of narrow AI?
It's describe the specific task.
Yeah, which is only work for the specific task. Next,
General AI.
okay. General AI is nothing but general AI. Example, can you please take an example? Anyone?
Auto driving cars and all.
Self-driving.
Self-driving cars.
Self-driving cars.
Self-driving cars.
Robots. Robotic.
Yeah, self-performing
Robots.
tools and all.
Yeah. So which has adding of an intelligence.
Yes.
Okay. Next one. What is the next one?
Super.
Super AI.
Super AI. What is mean by the super AI? What is mean by the super AI? What are the examples that we have? Tell me, please.
Sir, a robot.
Robot. Robot, right? Yeah. Intelligently, which can perform. Any like next one is about the examples. Any examples on the super AI? Any example? Tell me an example of super AI. I
Like
have.
seeing a or AI, you have said right, they are saying that.
Mhm.
Seeing AI and Otter AI applications like that, they're saying.
Seeing AI. Yeah. Am I
Hmm.
mentioned seeing AI as a super AI?
Students are giving examples that I'm saying to you, I'm
No, no,
conveying to you.
no, no. So that is the examples of the tools that we are using. But super AI, I have mentioned about some
Yeah,
scope.
there are in the research mode only. We are not using that. You had said that.
We super AI, what? Which means super AI means it is which is perform like a human with intelligent. Perform like a human. If he is a more than intelligent the woman, it's automatically can perform. Like super AI is like already mentioned about HAL. 9,000s. Mentioned or not?
Sir,
Am I said hall we are using in a military base?
Yes, yes, you said.
All 7,000.
9,000.
9,000, sir.
7,000 or 9,000?
9,000.
You people are great. You people are mentioned lot of things. I wanted to learn from you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So currently, we people are using some of the radars. Okay. So radars and all to uh, know about the within the radius any obstacles are there and any other persons are coming into our LOC. I mean, which is like the border within the border of India. The people are using intelligent devices than the currently we are using. Okay, so there are some highly restrictable devices also we are using in a army and navy and all. Okay, so why? Because we are not having that much of power to understand each and everything. So that is why the super AI is also inbuilt in the in this system. Okay, so let me share with you. The next one is about the prompt engineering. Have you heard about prompt anywhere? Prompt.
Yeah, the instruction which we give to the AI to perform.
Great. The user to perform any of the inputs operations. Okay, so which call it as prompt. Prompting.
Team. Bottom of file. People but escape. Virtual peace escape.
I think someone are practically they are performing, right? Prompts. Okay. So let me tell you what is prompt and why prompt and how to use the prompt. Okay, na?
Okay.
So first of all, let's understand what is prompt. Prompts is a user input. Simply, we can say that prompt is a instruction. The question inputs that you are giving to the AI system to tell about what you want. Okay. So next one, if you asking any question like write a simple program, write a example of this particular scenario, and create one application image and all, we are considered as a prompt examples. Okay, normally simply we are using right to know about some information, which is completely we can call it as prompt. Why the prompts are very important means AI does not automatically know your exact goal. So what goals that you have that AI don't know. So you are asking the AI to get the proper response. Like tell me about the Python, tell me about HTML, like this way. Okay. And also you might write example of the Python for beginners with 5 example and interview questions like this way. Okay, so these are the way that we are using right prompts. Can you please explain how can you like create the new text, how to ask the AI to get the information? Let me tell about HTML. You may struck at HTML or else Excel formulas. How to write the prompt in your AI? Can you explain how to write the prompt in AI? Anybody? How you are using the AI? Which prompt you are applying to get the formulas or else to get the data from the Excel or else from the document. You already mentioned, right? You are using ChatGPT and all. How you are applying the prompt? Anybody can tell. Anybody can respond. Open your mic and this is for you. Anyone, how can you apply the prompt to get any data? How you are writing? Just take the simple example. You give some simple example, sir. I am using this AI in this way. What you have written inside of the chart or else inside of the browser or anywhere in the AI tool.
Open ChatGPT, then E to navigate the search box. If I want to means I'm using some applications there, it will show the captcha. So I'm not able to see what are the there inside the image. So I will take a screenshot that image and upload into the ChatGPT. Then I'm asked what are the text it will inside the image. So that ChatGPT can give.
Super, super. It's a good information. How can you ask that one?
Right. First, I means give information.
Image you have written. Okay. Image
Yes.
you have uploaded into the chart. Okay. Next one.
What's it?
What is the next step that you are doing after uploading the image?
After uploading the image, then I'm writing that means give information what are the means what are the text inside the image. After writing that text and then press escape and navigate with the tab to send option, then it the message will send, and then after that the information will get from AI.
That's true, but I am asking the same question that how you get the information, what text that you are adding in the chat GPT. How you can ask?
Sometimes I'm using give information, sometimes I'm writing right.
Right. Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. That is what my question is. Okay. So
Yes.
basically, for simple task that we can talk like the friend, or else we can talk like an assistant. Okay.
Yes.
But actually, if you wanted to be get the information, relevant information, we must use some exact prompt. Okay. How we are using the prompt and all, like how can we add the role, how can we add the task, how can we add the context of the particular task, and the next one is about output of the particular format. This is all we can learn in our next session. Okay now,
Okay.
because we have covered some of the things which we already know, and some of the information which we don't know. These all I have covered. Okay, so have you good about this particular session? Each session is informative.
Yes, definitely. It will help us.
Thank you. And anybody have any questions regarding this particular session of 1 hour, what we already covered? So anybody, if you want to ask the question, you can please. Any question, any concern?
Thanks for the session. Today is the starting session, no? So today we learn theory, but from tomorrow onwards, will we expect practical sessions or else same theoretical sessions we are learning?
So which I can say that AI is for we are just understanding right now. You can get from tomorrow onwards theory, but everybody are using the systems.
Yes, sir. All are
Yeah, all are using the mobiles or not.
using mobiles.
Yeah, sure. So from tomorrow onwards, I'll explain each and every. thing in a practical manner. So we have a lot of examples that you are going to perform. So today is the first session. I don't want to sit for a long time and like stating that you should sit and you should do the practical. This is the first day, okay? From tomorrow onwards, you may expect the practicals.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Remaining, anybody have any questions? We are near to the 3 o'clock. So I also have some recording on this particular session. If you wanted to ask me, I'll share with you. And anybody wanted to ask anything? Shall we wind up? If there is a have any if there is no question. Pavani ma'am, Kiran,